Hello, welcome to the EVS class. Here today in this class we are going to have a small introduction about a big machine, right? Do you know machines? Do you know machines? Yes. In our surroundings we see so many different types of machines, right? For example, in our home we can see a computer, a sound system, a washing machine, motor pump, some water purifiers or filters and grinders like this. So we are in our daily life we see so many machines. These machines can do different things, different works. But in this class, the big machine which we are going to know about, this big machine can do what these machines can do. This big machine can do all these things, right? Okay. Firstly, we have to know we have to clear what these machines can do, right? Here, a computer, what can a computer do? A computer can do different operations, different things at a time and with a high speed also, right? And what can a sound system do? A sound system, a sound system we can listen music, right? Yes. And in our big machine, we can talk to the machine and the machine also can reply to us. Here, the next machine is washing machine. What can a washing machine can do? A washing machine can wash our clothes and removes the wastages, right? And next, motor pump. What can a motor pump do? A motor pump can bring, for example, let we take a water motor pump. A water pump can do, it brings the water from one place to and pumps it to another place, right? And next, filter. What a filter can do? A purifier. A purifier can purify the impurities. For example, in the water, we are seeing aqua filters, aqua purifiers, right? They purifies the impurities. Next thing, a grinder. Generally in our home, when we want to make idli or dosa, we use grinder here, right? In the same way, not only these machines, what these machines do, but some other the big machine can do some other things like this. Here the big machine can do all what these machines can do, and including some other machines, right? And one more interesting topic is here, the big machine was made in not in the 21st century or not 20th century, and even not 19th or 18th or 17th century. I think it was made or it was created in thousands years ago, right? Here all these machines were invented in recently, 20th or 21st century, but this big machine was made thousands of years ago. But this machine can work like all these machines. At that time there is no technology, but this machine can work like all these machines. And one more interesting quality is that is the big machine have it have some other features which a living thing have, right? Do you understand? What are the features do living thing have? Breathing, eating, moving, right? Do you think a machine can move? For example, a computer can move on its own? No. A sound system can reproduce? No. Washing machine, can a washing machine heat our clothes? No. But our big machine have all the qualities which a living thing have, right? Can you guess what the big machine? Do you know? Here the big machine is nothing but our body. Our body means human body. Our body is a big machine. Do you agree? You don't? Okay, let us compare, let us check whether our human body works like all these machines. Okay, here computer means here we have part in our body that is nothing but brain. Our brain works as a computer, right? It thinks different things at a time, right? Do you agree? Our brain works like a computer? Yes, you have to agree because our brain invented the computer, not computer invented our brain, right? And next, sound system. A sound system is nothing but our organs which helps to talk or speak. Organs of speech. Right. Here next, washing machine. Washing machine washes our clothes, right? In the same way, we have excretory system. What excretory system do in our body? Can you guess? It removes the wastages, it throws away from our body, as well as washing machine, right? Next, motor pump. Do you think we have a motor pump in our body? No? There is a part called heart. Heart pumps the blood to the different parts of our body, right? So we can say heart works as a motor pump in our body. Do you agree? Okay. And next, the filters or purifiers. Here we have kidneys in our body, right? The kidneys, what the kidneys do? Kidneys purifies our blood. Right? And next, the last thing is a grinder. The grinding means we eat food, right? We eat food and we want to make the food digest. We have here digestive system in our body. So our digestive system works as a grinder. So finally, here what the point is, being having all these qualities and our big machine, human body, has the living thing qualities, right? Humans are living things. Yes, humans are living things. So here what the point is, in our body there are so many systems are working. We have to know about it. We have to learn how they are doing, how they are working. For example, not only these like a computer or sound system, washing machine. For example, I think we have a dual camera here, right? Eyes with 576 megapixels, I think so. Like this, when we think about our body, we can get some other information, right? This is about an introduction about human body, right? In the further classes, we are going to discuss about different organs or different systems in our body. Okay, you just think on your body. What are the systems are going there? How they work, like this, right? Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.